Hey guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our trainer will give you a brief introduction to traffic generation methods. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
When you hear the word traffic, what comes first to mind? Well, if you're someone who's aware of what's happening around the world, India has probably the worst traffic you've ever seen. If your mind is on America, though, we could all probably agree that New York is the #1 busiest city in the US. No wonder a lot of movies portray New York as the main reason why protagonists get late for a work or job interview. But we're not here to discuss physical traffic. Instead, we'll be talking about traffic in cyberspace, known as web traffic. To put it simply, web traffic is the number of people visiting a website. Web traffic is calculated through the number of visits, or also known as sessions. However, unlike vehicular traffic, where more volume of cars on the road creates more suffering for commuters, having more visitors on a site is highly preferred. In fact, a brand's performance and efficacy are primarily measured in its ability to generate a consistent high volume of traffic. How important is web traffic? Back in the 1990s, web traffic was the primary metric to determine a website's popularity. However, as the years passed and technology has improved, web analysts have discovered other vital metrics to a website's performance, turning it into a more comprehensive report. Nowadays, experts not only look at the amount of traffic your website has, but it also seeks important questions such as: how long did users stay? How much does it cost to bring a visitor? What percentage of visitors made a purchase? And more. These metrics can be tracked using online web analytic tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, and Mixpanel. There are 3 main categories of web traffic. Let's take a closer look at each of them. Social media traffic. Social media traffic, or social traffic, is simply traffic coming to your mobile app or website from social media networks and platforms. Let's say a person clicks on a Facebook post and is directed to your company website. That's social media traffic. Tracking social media traffic is essential to gauge your company's performance, including conversions. To track this metric, it'd be best to monitor how much traffic each channel generates and what type of content produces the highest click rates and web sessions. Search engine traffic. Also known as organic traffic. Search engine traffic is the number of visitors coming from people who click links on a search results page from any search engine, like Bing, Google, Yahoo, and more. From the word organic, search engine traffic is free and earned solely through visitors that discover your site through search engine results. The higher the volume of search engine traffic your website has, the higher it'll rank on the search results page. And the higher you rank on the results page, the higher the number of people who will visit your site. However, with over 400 million active websites in 2021, ranking on the top 10 of a results page can be really difficult. Moreover, even the slightest shuffle of positions can have a huge impact on a site's page views. This is where SEO comes to the rescue. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a method where you implement strategies and apply practices in order for a website or piece of content to rank higher on search engines. In other words, you tweak your website for search engines' algorithms to like it, so you can appear on every marketer's dream, the first page of Google. When you integrate SEO into your website, you'll not only improve the quantity of traffic, but the quality of it as well. There are several ways to modify your website and content to make it SEO friendly. More on that in section 2. Paid advertising traffic. Paid advertisement traffic, or simply paid traffic, is traffic generated from clicks through paid promotions or advertisements. Basically, when a person clicks your ad, they will be automatically redirected to your website, gaining you a site visitor. What makes paid advertising effective is that it allows you to appear more on people's screens. You can appear on their social channels, on top of Google's search results, and even appear on their favorite blog. The ability to be seen everywhere will definitely result in more clicks and more visits. There are many types of paid advertising, but the most popular one is PPC. Pay-per-click, or PPC, is a system where you pay a fee every time an ad is clicked. A number of advertisement networks offer to post ads on several platforms, including search engines and social media networks. If you're looking to use PPC, you can check out rates from popular ad networks like Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, and Microsoft ads.